with the resolution passed by the NGOs, as well as the eviction notice and the state respondents. The state authorities may be directed to take appropriate measures for ensuring petitioners' fundamental rights and their rights to property.
It's a huge building. There's a photograph which is enclosed.
Yes, this is our building, Lordship, page number 37.
It's not even a small house, isn't it? You will issue notice, let's see.
And
Both the petitioners are in jail at the moment, isn't it?
at the moment, Lordship. But my children, our children are...
Children can stay with their relatives. Heard Mr. T. Dalnunsiama, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has filed the instant writ petition for the issuance of the appropriate writ or order to the respondents, since the house of the petitioner has been kept under lock and key by the local non-governmental organization of Tenzol, is it? Tenzol town. Since 21/11/2024, on the allegation that the petitioners are dealing with drugs, and hence the non-governmental organization in their joint meeting made a resolution that the petitioners should leave the Tenzol town by 20th November 2024. And they is it a full stop, and had therefore kept their house under lock and key, full stop. Issue notice to the respondents. Miss London Louis accepts notice on behalf of the state respondents number
1 to 4, Your Lordship.
1 to 4. Notice to issue a formal notice. Notice be issued to the other respondents through registered post with AD within 3 days, returnable by 3 weeks. List after 3 weeks.
Lordship, if I may make a few more submissions, Lordship. I would like to make some more submissions that this kind of illegal activities, in fact, is the most cruelty forms of activities in the present days, Lordship, as it is totally against the basic principle of natural justice and rule of law. So, Lordship, for immediate action, Lordship, the state respondents, more particularly the Deputy Commissioner, the District Magistrate, may kindly be directed to make the status report of the situations of the allegations, Your Lordship. Maybe within the period of...
This case, let's see, through this thing, returnable after 3 weeks. Requisite copies of the writ petition to be duly furnished to the learned government advocate by the petitioners. Okay, list after 3 weeks.
Lordship. Like Your Lordship.
Admission, item 2.
You can remove, okay, it's okay. Okay, so you can put this here.
Your Lordship, in this matter, pleadings are complete. So may we attempt for disposal at the admission stage, or it will come up in the...
Who's the counsel for the respondent?
I'm here, Lordship. It's now been listed for, I believe, mistaken, admission hearing, my Lord, today.
So any objection, or should we admit the
If, my Lord, now...
petition and list it for hearing?
No, my Lord, the petition has now been pending for quite some time, my Lord. It's been to 2022 case, my Lord. So, if possible,
You're
my
the
Lord...
respondent.
My Lord. Attempt may kindly be taken up to them for disposal, my Lord. Possible. The issue is very limited, my lord. It's a service matter.
It may,
Limited issue.
it may take some time.
It may take some
Yes,
time.
this
Then we list it for hearing. If it's going to take some
No,
time,
my lord,
you will list it for hearing.
Oh, yes, it may come in usual course.
You
in
do-
usual
my lord,
course
After
of
the
hearing.
ensuring, huh?
in that case, my lord, can we have it? Actually, my lord, I was of
Okay,
the
we'll
belief
list
that
it for,
since
no, we'll list it for admission hearing. And we'll have a fixed date, and then we'll see if it can be disposed of at the admission stage itself.
attempt may kindly be made, my lord, in the next date, my lord, for
Next date,
disposal.
isn't it?
If not today, my lord. Actually, I was of the belief that we have to take it up for disposal today.
No, but if it's going to be a lengthy hearing, frankly, this court has a lot of CAVs to dispose of before the vacations, okay?
To me, it's
Oh.
not early.
It's
Okay,
not
my
only
lord.
for this bench, it's outlining
It won't be,
benches
I think,
also, which has to
very
be
lengthy,
disposed of, okay?
I understand, my lord. Right after the vacation also, if
So
it
we'll
can
do it
come.
right after the vacation for admission hearing, isn't it? Heard Mr. B. Laramenga, learned counsel for the petitioner, along with Mr. Cizo Ramchana, learned standing counsel for the MRB. As submitted by the learned counsels for both the parties, place this matter for admission hearing immediately after the ensuing
My lord, can I have a fixed date, my lord? On 15th January, my lord.
on 15th January, okay.
Obliged.
2025,
Job lines.
yes.
Item 3.
May it please your lordship, my lord, since the CGC is on her leg in another court, it may be possible for the time being.
What's the stage?
Admission hearing, my lord. And my case is actually, I have come approach this honorable court with a limited prayer, my lord, only for spot verification.
Okay. So let's see.
Obliged.
Time being matter.
For orders, item 4.
My lord, I
May
Please,
Yes.
Your Lordship. My Lord, this is an application for condonation of delay of 91 days in filing the appeal. My Lord, the
No
main
notice
notice has been
return?
issued, my Lord,
issued.
to the
So
respondent.
we have to still wait for the return of notice, isn't it? From, yes, so we'll wait for some more time.
My Lord, the main reason for the delay is that, allow me to explain, my Lord, is that steps were immediately taken, but there was no willing advocates and counsels who they could approach they could
Okay.
approach for
So
appeal.
do you want to issue notice through Dusty?
My Lord, that still would not be possible because the respondents are in Shillong, Meghalaya.
Okay, then we'll have to wait for some time, isn't it? The address is quite far.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Lalrokung Apautu, learned counsel for the applicant is present. It is seen that return of AD card from the respondents is still awaited. In view of the above, list of after the ensuing vacation.
Obliged.
For admission, item 3.
We can, so after the ensuing vacation on a date to be fixed by the registry. Okay. In the other one also previously, on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes. Now, this is a time being matter.
Yes, my lord. The CGC is on leg in the other courtroom, my lord.
Who was the counsel for the petitioner?
Mr. Lalbiak Nunga, my lord.
Oh, he's also disappeared.
He's
Should we
gone to
fix some other
call
day?
I believe, my lord.
He says it's only a limited prayer.
If I may, my lord. The prayer of the petitioner is for spot verification. However, if we go through the reply of the NHIDCL at Annexure 1, page 7, spot verification was already conducted, my lord.
By?
The NHIDCL.
So it should be done with the
Then
parties, isn't
now
it?
the disputed question of facts arise, my lord,
Oh.
because we
No.
are saying.
What we can do is, if it's regarding the spot verification, we can pass an order for spot verifications to be conducted with all this thing. But we'll have to wait for the CGC.
Yes, Your
Because in the last court date, it is the CGC, isn't it,
Yes, my lord.
who have to respond.
More importantly,
We
under the
listed, maybe sometime this week.
Yes, my Lord.
Shall we list it on a Friday?
Yes,
Monday,
Next Friday?
Next Monday.
If your prayer is limited
Yes,
to
ma'am.
the extent that a spot verification should be conducted, but it would be appropriate if the CGC is also there, then maybe on Friday we can dispose of the petition with such an order. Isn't
Yes, my
it?
Lord.
But let's see what the CGC has to say, because here in the last court's order, it is said that a chance is given to CGC to file their counter affidavit. And if they fail to do that, then the matter will be disposed of. So let's see by Friday if the CGC, they will file their counter affidavit, isn't it? Yes. Mr. Lalbiak Nunga Namte, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present along with Mr. Samuel Vandal Shethamte, learned counsel for respondent number 2 and 3. However, it is said that, however, it is submitted that the learned CGC is said to be on legs in the other court. In view of the above, as prayed for, list on 6/12/2024. Yes.
Obliged, my Lord.